So first you hit extra wash cuvettes, and then this is going to pop up. Then you open the machine. You check your boat. It has plenty of wash. You leave it back in. Close it. And now you wait for it to finish. When the extra wash cuvettes is completed, an alert will come up that will say end of extra wash. You then click utility tools, wash cuvettes, and it'll ask you to insert your wash solution in position 40. You look at your carousel at position 40 and make sure you have enough volume. You insert your boat back into your carousel, mash OK. It'll ask you have you inserted the bottle. Yes, you have. And then it'll start washing. So after the wash cuvettes is complete, if you click on messages, it'll tell you end of extra wash, end of wash. So then you can clear your messages. Go back to utility tools, either here or here, and then you zero on water. Okay, so then we're gonna print your optical transmittance. So we're waiting for the end of zeroing water. So when the end of zeroing on water is complete, you will look under functions, mash diagnostic. You want to show your optical transmission. Your optical transmission should be between 98 and 100. And you're going to print the optical transmission, and it will print out to the printer exactly next to the TRL. You'll print one copy and then make copies for the rest of your group.
Don't mess up.
So we're about to scan these bottles. Today we're doing creatinine and
Triglycerides.
these are the two we're using.
And to scan, you have to hit F10. Then we're going to open.
It doesn't matter which spot in the carousel you put it in, just make sure you put it in there. I don't like that. I know. Okay. You're going to hit scan all bottles. And it's going to scan. Okay, so this error popped up and it said reagent not found for CPK and LDH, but that's okay because we're not doing those two tests today. We're doing triglycerides and creatinine. So you just hit exit. So now we're loading the L1, L2, and serum calibrator. They have specific spots in the circle. You can see serum calibrator right here, and then L1 and L2 right there. So now we're going to run our controls. So we click on the routine/stat work list controls. Then you click on the control. And the L1 and L2 go in spot 21 and 22. So you click on 21. It's going to ask you to type the name for it in. So you type in level 1. You have to click that it is known. And it's level 1. Then you hit save. And then you have to click on the test that you want to run. And you hit save. And you do the same thing for level 2. Level 2. Triglycerides, creatinine. Save. Okay.
And then you can go to options, select all, run, select it.
Right here? Yep. Okay.
So now we're loading our samples.
So the first thing you want to do is click routine stat.
Oh, hang on.
Routine stat. It brings up all of these options, and these are the ones you're going to click. Click on number 1. You're going to name your sample again. What's the names?
It's going to be 5A and B.
So you click your name, or you name your specimen, you click on the test you're going to do, you hit save, you go to the next one.
6A.
And you keep going until you're done.
So this is what it looks like when it's finished running the controls. You just hit OK, and you can continue putting in the names for your patient samples. So after we enter all of our patient samples, we hit exit. You're going to do the same things where you hit option, select all. It selects all of the patients that you want to run. You click options again, and you click run and selected. Are you sure you want to run 20 samples? Yes. Have you inserted the cups? Yes. So now it's running. So it says end of work, so we're done running our patient samples. So you hit OK and you hit exit. You click on this little icon right here, so view results. As you can see, it has all of our sample results. So you click on print and OK. It's going to bring up this other page. You click print again, all pages, and it prints. So after you print it, you hit exit. You take all of your samples out and throw them in the biohazard container. Now you need to take out your reagents and put them back in the fridge. Just spin it around. Take the samples out. Make sure you put the lids back on them. I hate that thing. Make sure you clear all of your alerts and all of your messages. So you go to work list, archive data. Are you sure? Yes. If you click on this, all of your results should be gone, which is correct. So now we're going to suspend activity. So you go to functions, suspend activity. Are you sure you want to suspend the analyzer activity? Yes. We're going to put in the date and the time, so it needs to be 2 days from now, which would be, on here would be the 1st, right? And we always change it to 11. Suspend activity, log off. Do you want to wash the cuvettes? Yes. Okay, and it's going to ask if you've inserted it. We never took it out, so click OK. Have you inserted the bottle? Yes. So now it's going to wash everything and cut itself off. We're going to put the plastic over it. And that's it.